Hi guys, this is the lesson for Monday, April 20th. Welcome back from spring break. Before we get into today's lesson, I want to do some announcements. We've been doing distance learning for 2 weeks, so here's some things to keep in mind. If you receive a 70 or below on a classwork assignment, you can read my comments, fix your errors, and turn it in again. I will change your grade. My goal is for you to see the mistakes that you're making and learn from them. Exit tickets, though, will not be redone. So once you've sent me an exit ticket, that's it. That's going to be your grade. I'm grading your exit ticket as a homework assignment, and the exit ticket is graded based on if your answer is correct or incorrect. So please don't go on and just click anything. I need you to read the directions and make sure you're answering to the best of your ability. Also, all work is independent. If your written answers are the same as somebody else's, you're both going to receive a 0 on that assignment. The first time it happens, I'll let you redo it. The next time, it's going to stay a 0. And I will accept all late work. So if you're behind on your assignments, if there's some that you're missing, please do them and turn them in to me. Some other announcements. I've put together a group of the links that we're going to be using for the rest of the year. These are links that are to our textbook, the YouTube channel, Flipgrid. These are things you might want to bookmark so that you're easily able to get to them. Let me show you what I mean. When you go to classwork on the side, and here you'll see that it says important links, and here's where you can access everything quickly so that you don't have to keep going back to certain lessons. All right, let's talk about today. Today, you're going to be studying these unit vocabulary words for Unit 5, Cluster 1. You're going to be using a website called Quizlet to do that, and then you're going to be answering some questions so that I can see that you understand the words. So this is the link for Quizlet, but let me show you also on Google Classroom so it's not confusing. Here I have my section for Monday, April 20th, and I'm going to go to classwork, and it has these same instructions. Here's the link. As always, if it asks you to log in with something, you're logging in with your Danbury High School Google email. Here's what you're looking at today. These are flashcards for our Unit 5 vocabulary words. You'll notice here it has the word grant. I click on it, and it's going to give me an image, and it's going to tell me what the definition is. That's for all 8 words. I keep clicking to go to see the other words. At the bottom, it's going to give you some words here, and you can also listen to the word and the definition.
Boundary. A line that separates two places.
After you've looked at all of the words, I want you to go to learn. This is where you're going to practice and see if you know the definitions of the words. It'll give you a definition, a feeling that you understand a person or group of people, and you're going to select the correct answer here. It'll tell you if it's correct or incorrect. Then you can see on the side which ones that you are used to and you know them, and which ones you've mastered, which means that you know them every single time they ask. Lastly, I want you to play this game, Match. There's going to be the definition and the word, and you have to connect them together. So, a feeling, let's see, easy to see or understand, obvious. So I'm going to connect those and match, and then it's going to time you. So you're going to try to be as fast as possible every time you do it. That's how I want you to practice the words. Then for classwork, what I'm grading you on is this assignment right here. You're going to click on it. This is what you're turning in to me. It's going to ask you a question using the vocabulary word. You're going to click yes or no, and then you're going to have to use the vocabulary word in a sentence. An example of a boundary is, and you complete the answer here. When you're done, you hit submit. That's all for today. So please make sure you're logging on to Quizlet and you're also completing the vocabulary review questions. Any questions you have for me, as always, please email or use your mind. Have a good one.